They like toys, nigga. 2019 scat. You know, 33,000 miles. Got my nigga Vic. You know, he making sure that bitch right. Make sure that bitch together for me. No chunky ass in the back. Yeah, I think we gonna go scat though. What you think, bro? We going scat?
I think we going scat.
We going scat, bro.
Scat.
And we gonna supercharge this hoe too. So y'all gonna see a lot of modifications on this bitch. Finna make us a YouTube and get this bitch going. I got the Maserati too. Don't forget about that bitch. So yeah, it's up. That bitch top speed 158. Oof. Niggas been in this hoe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That bitch stupid. That bitch is dumb, nigga. Yeah, you brake checked me already like twice, nigga. It's great. Yes, sir. We supercharging this bitch.
I don't feel nothing.
You don't feel shit?
Good. Shifting wheel, dropping gears.
I think they just trying to get rid of these hoes because they can't